What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We got to do some work again because old Reliable over here got a little problem. Got a little lean code, which has happened 3 times now. It's something to do with the catch can, I think, because that's when it happened. Was right after. So I made the last video, and now we're back a week later, making this one. I'm aiming the camera too high. I'm a bad vlogger. I'm sorry. I don't want to work today. Like, it's 60 degrees. I keep filming me like opening this stupid hood that you've seen a billion times on my channel. That's my channel, just opening this fucking hood. And my camera's gonna run out of battery because these batteries are a week old. And this camera eats batteries like every day, so yeah. That's Teflon taped. I Teflon taped these fittings here too. The bottom is sealed, so yeah, I don't know. I know there's a noise coming from it, but the thing is, I think it's this hose. This hose is just kind of shitty, which I am getting a fuel rated hose tomorrow, but you'll probably see that in the next video if I even record it. Otherwise, you'll just see it the next time I film something. The thing is, this is a really cheap, like, eBay catch can, so it doesn't have any markings, so I'm thinking I may have connected these wrong, and this one should go here, and this one should go here. I'm not entirely sure. It doesn't have any markings anywhere. But that's what I'm gonna try, because I'm out of f***ing ideas. Alright, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna see if this does anything, but I don't know. Focus. It doesn't focus. Well, whatever. There's a light there, and it's in the shape of an engine, so you can probably tell that it's a check engine light. It runs fine. The car runs perfectly okay. I can open my window. The car runs fine. There's air noise coming from here, which is probably because of this. I think this should be tightened. That should be alright. It runs alright though. It's just when you look in here, it's like, oh, I gotta stare at this f***ing light and I can't pass emissions. Good thing I don't have that here. I'm trying to figure it out. It's really annoying me. I might try to just reset the code. Otherwise, I don't know. I don't know. And my garage is kind of f***ed right now, because we had to move our trailer because we couldn't park it there. We couldn't park at the storage anymore because the city said you can't park it there, so we can't park it there. It's not this one. We put it in the storage unit, which is it's great. I guess I just let it run for a bit. Really, that's all I can do. I should probably plug in a scan tool, which isn't probably inside. Alright, so if I plug this into my OBD2 port somewhere down there. You don't have to have the engine running, but I want live data, so I'm gonna have the engine running. Also, I have a cold, so I'm gonna try to cut out all the sniffles. Let's see. So we have read codes. It's the same code that I've gotten 50 different times. I want to look at live data though. I want to look at fuel trim. It should be a closed loop. I don't know. Yep, it's a closed loop. Load is short fuel trim is around 7. There we go. Long fuel trim is hella high because basically I'm running super rich right now. I want this light to go away. I really want to just delete the code now, but I'm worried that'll like mess something up. This stupid mosquito can just like die in a fire. Alright guys, well that's going to be it for this very, very short video. I wanted to get a video out today because I'm trying to push myself to upload at least once a week, even with everything going on. So, I know this video is kind of short, but it's okay. It's okay. I also, just maybe 10 minutes ago, ordered a new camera. So, the mic quality is going to be way better, video quality is going to be way better, either in the next video or the video after that. This might be one of the last times I record a car vlog with this camera, which I haven't really done that for very long with this camera. So, you know, I've figured since I've already been doing this for so long, may as well upgrade. So, if you enjoyed, go ahead, leave a like, make sure to comment below, and make sure to subscribe to the channel, especially because I'm getting a new camera. Video quality is gonna be lit, fam. That was stupid, I'm sorry. And until next time, peace.